The Ultimate Mad Muscles app reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you want to get fit efficiently, most people get this wrong by following generic routines without guidance. The surprising truth about the Mad Muscles app is that it provides personalized workout and nutrition plans tailored to your goals, making progress faster and safer. First, download and install the app. You won't believe how many skip the onboarding quiz. Complete the setup by entering your fitness level, goals, and available equipment. This ensures your program is customized for real results. Next, explore workout routines. Most people get this wrong by skipping explanations. Mad Muscles provides videos, instructions, and timers for each exercise, making it easy to follow proper form and prevent injuries. Track your nutrition and progress. The surprising truth is that combining diet with workouts accelerates results. Input meals and snacks to monitor calories, macros, and water intake. Check community and support features. You won't believe how helpful these are. Connect with trainers or fellow users for motivation, tips, and accountability. In conclusion, the Mad Muscles app can take you from zero to pro in personal fitness. By completing the onboarding quiz, following guided workouts, tracking nutrition, and engaging with the community, you can achieve measurable results faster and smarter.